folks, it's Speedistevie video time again. The transfer of Airbus A380 MSN 272 from Station 40 to Station 35, on September 23, 2020, marked the completion of the last ever Airbus A380 to be built. It was the end of an era for Airbus and its supplying factories. Here's a video showing the final completion stage. Please watch this video right to the end, and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated, and if you click the bell you'll get to know as soon as new videos are published, almost daily. That's it for another Speedistevie video. Subscribe now.